Good morning. I wanted to go over your lesson for Monday and what you can find and what your expectation for you to be working on. So the directions up here in the announcements is watch the videos, then complete the assignments. All work is due no later than midnight the week assigned. So we're going to go to our semester 2 folder. Week 5 you can't see yet, but here it is. We're going to look at surface area and volume on Monday. Area and actually perimeter are reviews from previous years. I do have a formula sheet that I have provided in case you need some of the basic formulas. So here they are. There are some videos I made. Some of them are just basic review of how to find area and perimeter. Some of them are surface area formulas, which is the new stuff. And so we're looking at surface area of prisms. That is our focus. So we have a rectangular prism, we have a cube, and a triangular prism. I go over the non-formula methods, and I go over what are the formulas that you can use. Then there's 2 assignments. The first one is on perimeter and area. It is a Schoology assignment. It is, I think it does have about 10 questions, but it's just like, what is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? Find the area. So you have to know area of a rectangle. What is the area of the irregular shape? This is something that you've done in previous years. So what you'd want to do is you want to chop it and make it into smaller shapes. You can chop it vertically, you can chop it horizontally, and then you find the area of your smaller spaces and then add them up. Here, it just asks you to find the area of this rectangle. Remember, you count spaces. So like going up this way, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the width is 4 of this rectangle. Here you're just matching. You're matching what goes at the end of a perimeter answer and an area answer. This one asks you, so ignore the ones. I took this from a worksheet that we would have done if we were in class together, but it's virtually, and I wanted you to be able to type your answers in and get an answer versus me having to hand grade the worksheet for you. So you're going to find the area of a triangle. If you don't remember what it is, look back at the formula sheet. Yet again, ignore the 6, 7. The numbers that you need to know are the ones around the triangle. You want to find the area of the triangle again, so use your formula sheet or watch the videos. And here's another triangle. They all look different. Some of these numbers you will not need. So you have to understand with a triangle that solving for the base and height always have to form a 90-degree angle. That's why when they measure your height at the doctor's office, they tell you to stand up straight. So that way you form a perpendicular bisector to the floor. So that's all on area and perimeter. So then the second assignment that you need to do is new material. It's surface area. So this is a net. So net is a flat 3D shape, it's laid flat, but it's still a 3D figure. We just took it apart. Think about your recycling and how you crush the boxes before you put them in. So we took a box and we just opened up all the flaps. So find the area of all your surfaces. Well, with a rectangular prism, all of my area surfaces are rectangles. So you want to basically find the area of all of your rectangles and then add them up. Here's a 3D rectangular prism. In my videos, I go over the non-formula method and the formula method. Whichever is easier for you, please use. And there's another rectangular prism, another rectangular prism, another rectangular prism, and then I have some triangular prisms. These are a little trickier. Watch the video and see if that helps you. And there's 3 of those. So we're looking at focusing on surface area of a rectangular prism. So watch the videos, see if it helps you. Basically, surface area in a nutshell is finding the area of all of your surfaces and adding them up. So if I look at a triangular prism, I have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. So I find the area of each triangle, find the area of my 3 rectangles of each rectangle, and add them up, and that is my surface area.